Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to center image in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to open Insert tab, and here you need to go to Picture. Now you need to click from this device. Then you need to select image which you want to use. So for example, I'm going to click on this one image and I click Open button to load it to my document. Okay, it has been successfully added to our document. If you would like to center it, you need to go to Home tab and then you need to click on this one option to center it. But if you would like to set this image on the center of the page, on the middle of the page, you need to click on this one picture. Then you need to click on Wrap Settings. So I click here, I click on this one option on the in front of text. Then I go to Align, I select Align Center, I click again on Align and I click on Align Middle. Then position of this image will be on the middle of the page. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.